Depression? I've heard about it before, but I'm unsure what it is. What is depression?
Naitala sa Pilipinas ang pinakamaraming kaso ng depresyon sa Southeast Asia, ayon sa isang NGO. Ito ang isa sa pangunahing dahilan ng suicide. Pero ayon sa isang clinical psychologist, may mga sintomas ang matinding depresyon at maaring mapigilan ang pagpapakamatay. 4.5 million ang mga kaso ng depresyon sa Pilipinas noong 2004 ayon sa datos ng NGO na Natasha Goulbourne Foundation.
It's a silent struggle that many face, yet it's a topic often misunderstood, stigmatized, and not talked about as much as it should be. Here in the Philippines, depression is a serious concern. According to recent data from the World Health Organization, it is estimated that over 154 million people are affected by depression. But what is depression exactly? And what are its most common symptoms?
Depression, is actually a mental health condition. No, it is where a person might experience yung persistent sadness. One of the ano bang tawag dito, yung pinakatinitignan, for it to be considered as depression is if the symptoms lasts for at least 2 weeks, at least, so at minimum 2 weeks and more. And if this is if it can also interfere with your daily life.
According to a 2022 study, there's a significant percentage of Filipino youth in the category ages 15 to 24 who frequently feel symptoms of depression, such as feelings of loneliness, demotivation, and sadness. Miss Tony also mentioned other most common symptoms of depression, which are loss of interest or pleasures, commonly known as anhedonia, loss of appetite, and low energy levels. Being aware of the symptoms is important in addressing mental health issues among young adults. Recognizing how common these challenges are can contribute to building stronger and more effective support systems and resources for those in need.